Welcome, this is Mrs. Van, the Esparto Middle School principal. We are celebrating our Students of the Month. Please enjoy. Esparto Middle School Students of the Month demonstrate positive behaviors inside and outside of the classroom. They exemplify outstanding behavior characteristics like being responsible, on time, positive attitude, respect, and safety, our roars. The Students of the Month are responsible for their active role in their learning by showing up to class on time with a positive attitude and demonstrating academic integrity and honesty. Students of the Month show respect towards peers and adults and practice safety.
Daniel is acknowledged by Mrs. Rogers for being prepared for class, to work on assignments, and having outstanding attendance, which is reflected in his grades. Ms. Rogers recognizes that it is a pleasure to have him in class. Congratulations, Daniel. Colt is being acknowledged by Mr. Pokswinski as he continues to be an outstanding student in class. He is always eager to share his insight and help others. Several times he has played a pivotal role in class discussions and treats everyone with the utmost respect. Congratulations, Colt. Natalie is recognized by Mrs. Kabutahe for showing tremendous growth this quarter. She has refined her writing and increased her participation in class. Natalie continues to be an excellent example of appropriate school behaviors. She exudes calm and confidence as she works. It's been a pleasure to see her develop these skills. Congratulations, Natalie. Betsy is acknowledged by Mr. Crockhammer for always being focused and hardworking during class. She strives to do her best on every assignment and it shows. Congratulations, Betsy B. Jessica is recognized by Mrs. Rogers for demonstrating positive behaviors by coming to class prepared to work on assignments. She has outstanding attendance, and this is reflected in her grades. Ms. Rogers admits that it is a pleasure to have her in class. Congratulations, Jessica. Yasmin is recognized by Ms. Simons as she demonstrates positive behavior. Although Yasmin is doing distance learning, she has demonstrated outstanding classroom participation and personal professionalism. This quarter, she has actively participated in classroom discussions, has turned in her work on time, and has made sure to ask questions if she needed clarification. She is going to continue to excel with these great work habits. Congratulations, Yasmin. Gabriel is acknowledged by Mrs. Christian for coming prepared for class every day ready to learn. He is always working hard in class and helps other students understand the assignments. Mrs. Christian is very proud of Gabriel and appreciates his participation. Miguel is a student that demonstrates positive behaviors and is recognized by Dr. Mustafa. He has shown great improvement by participating in class and working on his assignments. Congratulations, Miguel. Marissa is recognized by Miss Clark as she is a joy to have in class. She does a great job with her independent work as well as works well with her classmates. Miss Clark enjoys her excitement for the knowledge in science class. Congratulations, Marissa. Giselle is recognized by Dr. Mustafa for demonstrating positive behavior. She is always on time, remains on task, and participates in class. Congratulations, Giselle. Miranda is recognized by Miss Spiva as she has shown great improvement the last couple of weeks. She has been turning in assignments and doing very well on them. Miss Spiva has seen her grades go up in all of her classes and is very proud of the effort she is putting in. Congratulations, Miranda. Joseph has been doing very well in all of his classes and is recognized by Miss Waltrip. He keeps up with his work, always gives his best, and provides very insightful comments to class discussions. Keep up the good work, Joseph. Congratulations.
We would like to celebrate our students with perfect attendance and improved attendance. If there is an asterisk next to your child's name, that indicates that they have had perfect attendance since the beginning of school. If your child does not have an asterisk next to their name, that means that they have done an exemplary job of improving their attendance during distance learning.
Recognizing sixth graders for perfect and improved attendance for the month of April: Jorge, Allison, Jessica, Mariana, Natalie, Scarlett, Betsabe, America B, Taylor, Armando, Liliana, Riata, Alyssa, Brian, Alicia, Jamale, Lindsay, Javier F, Jaden, Eliel, Carlos, Kayla, Nayeli, Camila, Raquel, Camila, Angel, Amy, Leonie, Colt, Lorelai, Stephanie, Emma, Arturo, Michelle, Alexander, Crystal, America, David, Crispin, Lysandra, Emily, Adrian, Omar, Kimberly, Alan, Cesar, Alicia, Jezreel, Alejandro, Faith, Natalie, Janisha, Gavin, Danny, Daniel, Alexis, Arlene, and Irvin. Congratulations. And now we'll recognize our 7th graders with perfect and improved attendance. Haley, Angel, Jonathan, Evelyn, Karen, Jimena, Andrea, Lily, Chloe, Herman, Rihanna, Alyssa, Easton, Kiara, Aaron, Yasmin, Labrado, Erlanda, Yahaira, Jennifer, Giselle, Jeremy, Osvaldo, Gavin, Daniel, Mackenzie, Miguel, Diana, Marco, Isabella, Rylan, Benjamin, Rodrigo, Ramiro, Carolina, Javier, Camila, Exity, Andres, Evelyn, Isabel, Enzo, Nathan, Jennifer, Juan, Giselle, and Kiaja. Congratulations, 7th graders. We're very proud of you. And now we'll recognize our 8th graders with perfect and improved attendance. Braulio, Janelli, Joseph, Jose, Victor, Alina, Jasmine, Miguel, Chavi, Crystal, McKenna, Mia, Alana, Jose, Luis, Emily, Adeli, Leslie, Marissa, Jaime, Jessica, Neilani, Jocelyn, Harjas, Alejandro, Marissa, David, Elsie, Miranda, Noah, Perla, Aaron, Eileen, Connor, Alberto, David, Julian, Brian, Jordan, Cohen, Leonardo, Eleanor, Angel, Noemi, Alan, Dylan, Edisteo, and Denise. Congratulations, we're very proud of you. And celebrating birthdays in the month of April, we'd like to wish a happy birthday in 6th grade to Matthew, Irvin, and Alexis. In 7th grade, Kiara, Javier, Isabel, Jeremy, Rylan, and Nathan. And in 8th grade, Cohen, Dylan, Andre, and Jordan. Happy birthday to all of you.
Congratulations to all of our honorees, and thank you for joining us to help celebrate some of our special students.